calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. Hey guys, and welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. In today's DIY, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own hand sanitizer. I'm Maddie, and I'll be your guide today, so without further ado, let's jump right in. I already have my thickener blended with water right here, just because it can take a really long time to get it thoroughly mixed in. Remember to be patient and stir really well so you can get a nice thick base for the sanitizer. All right, now on to the next step, which is adding in our aloe vera gel. So you want to make sure that your formula is at least 60% isopropanol, and this will ensure that your hand sanitizer is effective at killing germs. All right, it looks like it's nice and well mixed together, so I'm going to set this off to the side, and then we get to go on to the fun parts. So we wanted to use this DIY to remind you guys that AFI offers water-soluble fragrances. Although you can definitely use any of our fragrances and combine it with a surfactant, it's nice to switch it up every now and then. My favorite for this month is apple cinnamon. It's a super strong and spicy smell, which will help cover up the smell of the IPA. It smells like home. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this in and give this a nice stir. And then to add a little bit of pop to this, just to make it a little bit more fun, I'm going to add a little bit of coloring, and I chose the color orange. 1, 2, third time's a charm. We're going to give this a nice quick stir yet again. Ooh, look how pretty. All right, now that it looks like everything is well incorporated, so for our final step, we just need to put this into our packaging bottle. You'll want to use a funnel to make this step a little easier to prevent any messes from occurring. So I'm going to grab my funnel and then our packaging container, and as you can see, this actually screws onto the top just to help prevent any messes. And I'm just going to pour slowly just so I won't overwhelm the funnel, if you will, and like I said, to prevent any mess. And just like that, you're done. It's just a few easy steps to do, so anyone can do this at home. So I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'll be right back. So I recommend packaging your hand sanitizer in a bottle with a pump like this, or a squeeze nozzle. This will allow your customers to easily portion out how much they use each time. So, it's pretty simple to me. Smells so good. For this DIY, it cost me about $1 to make, and it can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. Thank y'all so much for joining us in today's video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to show us some love and hit that like button down below. Subscribe for more content just like this, and be sure to tag us with your creations on our socials linked down below. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!